Bob Marley performing in Zimbabwe.
Come on, I want to hear. Yeah! Unity! Unity! Zimbabwe! Africa unite.
Yes! I Selassie, I first, you know. Today is for one consciousness for the freedom of Africa. If Africa don't feel free, no one will be free. And every man have a right to decide his own destiny. But the destiny that we must decide, it must be good for the people. Let's go! Go! Hey!